So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Next, you want to type in chkdsk :f/r and then click on enter. Just wait for this. And now this will come up. You want to type in Y and then click on enter again. Next, you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So now I'm going to restart my computer. Keep on watching the video. It's now restarting. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It's now going to start running the scan. Once you complete this final scan, it's going to take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed.